सोनम कपूर, किरण राव, जोया अख्तर और भी इंडस्ट्री के कई बड़े सेलेब्स पहुंचे WIFT के इवेंट पर। वुमेन इन फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के इस फंक्शन में इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाली वुमेन को एम्पावर करने के लिए हुआ काफी सारा डिस्कशन, लेकिन जैसे ही बात आई कास्टिंग काउच की तो शुरू हो गया डिबेट।
You know, the casting couch is, it's a very weird phenomenon because nobody is forcing anybody to do anything. It's an adult barter. So, you know, I mean, I think women they know what they're doing, and if they want to go down that path, it's a choice they make. So I don't think we need to moral police anybody.
कास्टिंग काउच बॉलीवुड का एक कड़वा सच। आखिर क्यों? जब बात कास्टिंग काउच की आती है तो बॉलीवुड अजीबोगरीब तरीके से करता है रिएक्ट। कास्टिंग के लिए जो चाहे अपनी मर्जी से काउच पर आ जाए तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर यहाँ जोया ये भी बताने से नहीं चूकी कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कास्टिंग काउच को नहीं बल्कि वुमेन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए है।
I'm sure this platform is there for women to contact WIFT and to come to WIFT and therefore get network through WIFT. So they will be placed in organizations and with filmmakers that are of a certain repute and that are known to the board. So that is a safe way to go about it. But if women come and, you know, God forbid something really bad happens to them, I don't think it's WIFT's responsibility, or they're not going to start doing a dharna outside the filmmaker's house. I don't think so.
अब कहीं कास्टिंग काउच के मुद्दे पर दूरी रखने की वजह ये तो नहीं कि जोया खुद भी हैं एक फिल्म मेकर। खैर, ये तो बात थी कास्टिंग काउच की। अब जरा इस इवेंट की भी बात कर लेते हैं। जैसे कि हमने आपको बताया, यहाँ पहुंची सोनम कपूर, नंदिता दास, तारा शर्मा, जोया अख्तर एंड अ फ्यू मोर बी टाउन लेडीज, क्योंकि मौका था टू सेलिब्रेट वुमेनहुड। हमने सोनम से पूछा व्हाट शी थिंक्स अबाउट वुमेन इन टुडेज टाइम्स।
The women are the little, you know, who know how to get their work done in a really sweet and a great way, and they have an eye for detail. They know how to get things done in a very correct fashion, and I feel we have a quality, women have a quality which is extremely artistic and which is extremely, they are very good at organizing things because women are the only ones who run the house as well as can work.
Well, सोनम तो पापा अनिल की ही तरह women को मानती हैं superior, तो चलिए सोनम से पूछते हैं about she playing a part in women-oriented films.
Well, I did Aisha, which was amazing for me. And I think in a way, Bittu in Delhi 6 was great as well because she was somebody who wanted to not get married and actually become Indian Idol. You know, she wanted to get out of a house and say that this is not what I want for myself, I want something more. So yeah, I think I've played strong women.
Well, आयशा के बारे में क्या कहें? खैर छोड़िए सोनम, यही बता दीजिए कि इंडस्ट्री में अगर वुमेन की बात करें तो who do you look up to?
In terms of as an actress, मैं बहुत सारी obviously heroines, guest heroines को I look up to. But अगर मैं production point of view तो I think बालाजी, I think एकता ने जो अपने film के साथ, she was almost revolutionary where it came to making TV becoming such a big deal in our country. There's Farah Khan, who I think is like the Manmohan in our generation right now. So which I think commercial films, you can't expect a woman to make such a commercial film and make a Sheila Ki Jawani, you know, which started the whole thing. You expect a man to shoot like that, but a woman is shot like that, and that was it was revolutionary also in a way.
Well, we are sure Ekta and Farah would be really happy after listening to you. For Salma Khan, Zoom, Mumbai.